Open the PowerTeacher Pro Gradebook and navigate to the class that you want to add a comment. From the left-hand side of the screen, select Grading, then Standards. It is important to note that only standards with a blue dialog box in the top right corner can have comments added. You will need to contact your system administrator if you would like to add a comment to a standard but are unable to. Click on the standard to open the Details view. In the Details view, you will see a comment box on the right side of the screen. In the comment editor, type in the comment you want to add. If you would like to use a predefined comment, click on the dialog box in the top right of the detail view. A larger text box will appear on your screen. In the bottom right corner, select Show Comment Bank to display the predefined comments. We can simply click the plus sign to add it to the standard for each student. Once you have typed or added in your comment, click Save to add the comment to the standard. Your comment will now be visible in the Standard Details view. When a comment is added to a standard, it will display a blue dialog box in the corner of the standard entry box. That's it. You have successfully added a comment to a standard in PowerTeacher Pro Gradebook.